Hello guys, Frost Autotech here, and I am here to introduce myself. My real name is George, and I'm actually Greek, that living right now in Mexico and studying. Well, I'm here in Mexico because my wife is, so here I am. Well, about my studies, I'm in the half career right now, like 1.5 year, and it remains 2 years more. In meantime, I'm working in the agency, the dealership of Peugeot, the French cars. It's pretty reliable brand. I like it. Everything's fine. And well, I create this channel so I share with you and you share with me tips, knowledge, and thoughts. And we expect your help from the experienced ones, people like me, to motivate us, what to expect in this job, and things like that. My previous job was welder. I was working with my family doing metallic construction basically, but I decided to do what I really love, and that is to work on cars. Well, my next videos will be about tools, how to use them. For example, I guess the next video will be how to use a multimeter and uh, what brands to buy, which brands to start with. Well, see you later. Every week I will try to upload one video.